loss of respect due to speech. How does that happen? So what is speech? Speech is the second house, and if the lord of the second house sits in a particular house and the owner of that house, that is the dispositor of the second house lord, is either in a debilitated state or is in one of the dusthanas, that is 6, 8 or 12, then there might be a possibility that that person would see a loss of respect due to his or her speech. Let me give you an example and make it more clear. One of my classmates, I had his chart so I could relate. Whenever he spoke, 8 times out of 10, he spoke something and then people just mocked him or laughed at him, and then or maybe just disgraced him, because he spoke out of that essence of either jealousy or taunt. That's how he spoke. In his chart, he was a Scorpio ascendant, so that means the second house becomes Sagittarius. Now, who becomes the lord of Sagittarius? Jupiter becomes the lord of Sagittarius. Jupiter was sitting in the 10th house. Now mark this: 10th house also becomes the house which represents your respect in society. And upon that, the sign over there was Leo. Who becomes the lord of Leo? Sun becomes the lord of Leo. So the dispositor of the second house lord becomes Sun. Sun goes and sits in the 12th house, which is the Dusthana, in Libra, which is the sign in which Sun gets debilitated. So you can see how these things got connected: his speech, his respect in society, and loss of respect. How all this gets connected. So whenever he spoke, 8 times out of 10, he spoke something that he should not have spoken in that particular situation, and he faced loss of respect. Har Har Mahadev.